Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best running shoes that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling to find a running shoe that's both lightweight and insanely fast, but still comfortable for long runs? Most shoes either slow you down or hurt your feet after a few miles. What if you could have speed, comfort, and performance in one shoe? Meet the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4M, a high-performance running shoe designed for serious speed and endurance. Ultra-lightweight design built for maximum speed. Durable rubber sole for excellent grip on roads. Breathable polyester upper keeps your feet cool. Secure lace-up closure for a locked-in fit. Water-resistant build for light wet conditions. Engineered for long-distance running and racing performance. Pros: extremely lightweight and fast. Great traction and stability. Comfortable for long-distance runs. Cons: not ideal for casual everyday use. Premium design may feel too performance-focused for beginners. Perfect for runners training for marathons or races. Athletes who want maximum speed and efficiency. Anyone looking for a high-performance running shoe. Not ideal for casual walkers or daily wear. At $100, this shoe offers serious value for a pro-level running experience, especially compared to other premium racing shoes. Number 2. Introducing the Adidas Adizero Evolution SL woven running shoes, a sleek, modern running shoe built for speed, comfort, and effortless wear. Lightweight construction for fast and responsive movement. Durable rubber sole for solid grip and traction. Flexible woven upper for a snug, breathable fit. Easy pull-on design, no hassle, quick wear. Streamlined shape for better performance and style. Designed for daily runs, training, and active lifestyles. Pros: super easy to wear with pull-on design. Lightweight and comfortable for longer use. Good grip for road running. Cons: less adjustable fit compared to lace-up shoes. May not provide enough support for intense racing. Perfect for casual runners and daily joggers. People who want quick, easy slip-on running shoes. Fitness enthusiasts looking for comfort plus convenience. Not ideal for elite racers or those needing maximum foot lockdown. At $149.95, it offers a solid balance of style, comfort, and convenience, great for everyday running and active wear. Number 3. Introducing the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 men's running shoes, a premium performance shoe designed for speed, comfort, and next-level running efficiency. High-performance rubber sole for excellent traction and durability. Lightweight nylon upper for breathability and flexibility. Secure lace-up closure for a locked-in, stable fit. Responsive cushioning for energy return and smoother strides. Sleek, modern design built for training and race day performance. Engineered to support long-distance running and high-speed sessions. Pros: premium build quality and durability. Excellent responsiveness for faster runs. Comfortable for long-distance training. Cons: higher price point. May feel too performance-focused for casual users. Perfect for serious runners and athletes. Marathon and long-distance trainers. Runners who want speed plus comfort plus performance. Not ideal for beginners or casual everyday wear. At $200, this is a premium-tier running shoe, ideal if you're serious about performance. If you want top-level speed, comfort, and durability, it delivers strong value for the price. Number 4. Introducing the ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 running shoes, a versatile, high-performance running shoe built for comfort, speed, and daily training. Durable rubber sole for reliable grip on different surfaces. Lightweight polyurethane (PU) upper for flexibility and support. Soft polyester inner lining for added comfort. Responsive cushioning designed for energy return and smoother runs. Balanced design ideal for both daily training and long-distance runs. Modern, sporty look that fits both performance and casual style. Pros: excellent cushioning and comfort. Great for both short and long runs. Lightweight yet supportive. Cons. Not as aggressive for race day speed. Slightly premium price for casual runners. Perfect for daily runners and fitness enthusiasts. Long distance training. Runners who want comfort plus versatility in one shoe. Not ideal for elite racers looking for maximum speed-focused shoes. At $149.95, it offers great value for a premium daily trainer. If you want a shoe that balances comfort, durability, and performance, this is a strong choice. Number 5. Introducing the New Balance Women's FuelCell Rebel V4, a lightweight, high-performance running shoe designed for speed, comfort, and style. Durable rubber sole for traction and stability. Lightweight synthetic upper for flexibility and breathability. Comfortable, cushioned midsole for energy return and smooth strides. Sleek, modern design ideal for training, daily runs, and racing. Engineered to support both short sprints and long-distance sessions. Pros. Lightweight and responsive for faster running. Excellent cushioning and comfort. Stylish design for both performance and casual wear. Cons. Less structured fit for wide feet. Not ideal for heavy terrain or trail running. Perfect for female runners looking for speed plus comfort. Daily trainers and casual athletes. Anyone wanting a lightweight, responsive running shoe. Not ideal for trail runners or those needing extra support for wide feet. At $132.12, it's a great value for a high-performance women's running shoe, fast, comfortable, and stylish. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and updates.